Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC and we're going to run the M700. We are running it with a TP3640 2300 kV with a Flycolor 150 with a modified cooling block, and I also added a capacitor pack. Not sure if you can see it, but it is installed behind the ESC over there. And we are running it on 4S 5000 mAh 65C. The prop is a 642 and we are aiming for a speed record. I'm in a friendly competition with Trey and Trey Jr. Shout out to you guys if you're watching. Currently we have matching speeds at 4S of 62 miles an hour, and I obviously want to beat that. So we're going to put the GPS inside. And let's see. I brought a second 4S LiPo, so I can run it a second time with another prop for some more speed. And I also brought a 5S LiPo, but let's see if I will run it because it's kind of windy and choppy today. Alright, start the GPS, tracking, stop, read, 3, start. Okay. Let's hope for the best. As I said, it is kind of windy, so I will only speed run it with the wind. Okay, there we go. Nice. It was fast for sure, but it was leaning to one side. Let's do another sprint and then let's read the speed. Yeah, it is leaning to one side. Okay, let's check how fast that was. Okay. Yeah, look at movement. Stop. Read. 95. Ah, too bad. Conditions today are just not good enough. Alright, start. Yeah, it is also leaning, which I don't like. Alright, I quit it for this LiPo and we're going to make a second run with another prop. My telephone, why it doesn't want to recognize my fingerprint. Okay, movement, stop, read, 95 again. Okay Trey, you're lucky, 95. That's about 59 miles an hour or 58. So your record stays intact for now. So I'm curious about the temperature. Last time the ESC was really quite hot, so that's why I installed the capacitor pack. It seems to have worked because now The ESC is not hot at all. 22, 21. There is still water in the hull, which is too bad because I changed all my cooling lines and I even changed these water outlets, but there's still water in the hull, so didn't resolve the issue yet. How about LiPo 21 and 20 for the motor. Okay, temperature wise it's good, water wise not yet. Alright, second run. I installed a new LiPo and a 943 prop. Let's start the GPS. Start. Stop. Read. 3. Start. Okay. There we go. Okay, somehow the steering has a crazy offset suddenly. No clue how that comes. So I have to get that right. Okay. Better. Better, but still not good. Okay, there we go. Okay, it was fast, but the steering is off. Oh, too bad. Okay, let's check the speed. I know it was corrupt because I flipped it, but anyway, let's see. Stop, read 102. Wow. Okay, let's try that again without the flip. Start, movement. All right. Let's try that again. Nice. That was a solid run. I have good hope for the speed. Let's see. Ah, come on. Okay. Movement. 102 again. Oh wait. Stop. Read. 102. Nice. Trey, sorry, I think I just beat your record. 102 is 63 or 64 miles an hour. So I beat it, yes. But I know you will get a new record as well. Whoa! 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 Wow! Crazy spin. Too bad. Because it will not be official now due to that spin off. Stop. Read. 99. Ah. Alright. Okay. I will finish this run because the LiPo already lost its main juice, and I will inspect the hull because it is acting a little bit strange. Wow guys, I think I just stopped in time First of all, there's a huge amount of water, and look at the flex shaft. Wow, totally destroyed it. That's crazy. We did get a record, 102, but the flex shaft ended its life. But it will be back. I will fix it, and then we will go for another speed run. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.